Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I will show you exactly how I made this super moist and super soft marble cake using a charcoal Jiko. Guys, it's so simple and let's get started. So in a large bowl I put 2 eggs, and I just whisk that. Next I added a 1/4 cup icing sugar, and you can use the normal sugar if you do not have icing sugar, and then I mixed that. That is how it looks like at this point. Then a 1/4 cup cooking oil, and then I'm just going to give that a very good mix. And then next I start sieving my dry ingredients, and I sieved 1 cup all-purpose flour, and then a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. After sieving, I'm just going to add a 1/4 cup milk and then mix that to make the cake batter. And then I added a pinch of salt and then mix that to make the cake batter. And then once the cake batter is ready, I'm going to divide it into 2, and I transferred the first half, approximately the first half, to a smaller bowl, and then the other half I left it in the bigger bowl. And then onto 1/2 I added 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, and then I'm going to mix that, and that is how it looks like after mixing it. Next I prepare the baking tin, and I'm just going to grease it with margarine and then dust some flour on top, and then remove the excess flour, and the baking tin is ready. Yeah, so first I put the first half, and not all of it, the white cake batter. I put it first, and I have not put all of it. Then next I added a small amount of the butter with the cocoa powder, like you can see. Then I'm using a spoon to try spread it out. And then next I put the other half of the white cake batter, and it's just a small amount, and then alternating with the butter with cocoa. And then after adding the butter with the cocoa like that, I start to make a marble pattern. Like you can see, I'm using a skewer to do so. Just like that. And then tap the cake batter to remove any air bubbles, and my charcoal Jiko is ready. So I'm just going to divide the charcoal. Actually, I'm just going to take most of the charcoal and then put it on a sufuria lid like that. Only very few charcoal pieces should remain inside the Jiko, and I want to show you what was left inside the Jiko. That is what was left, kidogo sana, a very small amount. And then And then I placed the sufuria. Then I'm just going to place the baking tin with the cake batter inside the sufuria, and then cover the sufuria with the lid that has hot charcoal on it, and then I'm going to bake that for 1 hour. And this is what we have, guys. You can see the way it's looking, although my Jiko is too old, but it does the job. So after 1 hour, I'm going to check if the cake is ready, and I'm going to use a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, then I know the cake is ready. It even busted a little, but it was perfectly done, and you can see my skewer comes out clean and the cake batter is ready. So guys, that's how you do it. This is how the cake looks like. Thank you so much for watching and for your support. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and I will see you guys on the next video.